on?
Post-quarantine video. Mommy and Daddy both had COVID. Huh.
Yeah. Alright, well, make sure, before we get started, make sure to like, share, subscribe if you already, and turn on notifications. Today we have some boxes over here.
You never know what's in
We're
them.
to unbox them.
Yeah, we're going to do an unboxing. A fellow YouTuber.
Sorry, this room is blue and it is frozen too.
On your own, you need to get something.
And she sent me a couple of gifts to cheer me up.
Oh, and guys,
We're opening
Make
this
sure
box.
like my shirt because I love it.
Because this is a Bath and Body Works box.
Make sure you
going to
guys
open
love
this
my
big-
shirt. It is so adorable
It
and
is
it.
adorable.
You're probably
And
thinking,
I
why not open that box?
absolutely love it. Look how huge that thing is, guys.
You're probably thinking, why not open that box last? It's biggest. Well, it's pretty light.
But you're going to open the big one first?
Because, Bath and Body Works is one of my most favorite stores. Okay, let's see.
Want to help Sissy?
Yeah.
Oh, Mariah, it's taking this box.
Yeah. Big box.
Here.
Big
Easy.
box.
Stick your fingers under the with the table.
You
So.
need scissors? Oh,
There we
there
go.
you go.
Looks fuzzy.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a blanket. Oh.
Wow.
It's a blanket. I want this one.
Look how,
See,
oh, it's
It's
soft.
not nice. Okay, do you want to tear it so we can get it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can
Nice.
I have this?
Well, how about if we leave it in here on the bed in here? We can all use it.
Oh, it's
Feel
so
it.
soft.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whenever the playhouse is done, we can, and we do
Yeah.
it 24 hours.
How big is it?
Oh!
Wow.
Oh, wait. This thing is getting
We messed up the table cloth. Okay, let's go
That's
on to
super
the next
soft.
box.
Oh, feel it.
Oh, it's so soft. I don't want to leave it.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, Thea.
Okay, next box. We only have 2 boxes.
That's it on us.
Sure.
Yay. Yay. We're going to put it on our laps. It is very soft.
Cover up with it.
It's very
We were down in the
soft.
playhouse and it's pretty cold down there. So
Yeah, we got like 2 heaters out
Yeah, we
just to
had
try
to.
and warm it up, and that did not work that well. Okay, next box. I'm thinking we need
You
some
need
scissors.
scissors?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Get those little sharp ones so it's easier to open. Okay, guys, we got this box from Bath and Body Works. It's fragile, which I accidentally shook it up a little bit, so I'm starting to think there's something broken in it. But let's start peeling this label off so we can get to the continue.
Here. I have to use it.
Oh, was there a piece of paper with that blanket?
I forget.
Oh, there was a note. You're gonna do that, read it to everybody.
I love this. I want to sleep with
You
this.
do. It's nice and soft.
I want to sleep with this every day and every morning.
Are you getting warmed up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
What the
want
heck?
this to keep.
Oh.
Inside the box.
I
I forgot what
want this.
inside of a Bath and Body Works box looks
Don't get
like.
cut.
It's blue.
I want this blanket.
Feel it.
I want this.
Oops. Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Yeah, me too. Okay, we're taking one thing out at a
Let
time.
me see the paper.
Oh, I guess it is one thing.
Oh.
Oh, Nana, you're gonna love it.
This is for my friend Thea. Just a little something for you. Sometimes we have to remember we too are
Nana, you're going
important.
to love it.
Thea. Thanks, Thea.
It smells like a new pool party.
What is it? Oh, look how cute.
Can I
Smell it though.
Yeah, you want to smell them? Oh, wow. Little
Apple.
Oh,
Let's try it.
shower
Let's-
gel.
Ready? Oh, it smells so good. Ready?
1,000 wishes. Perfect. Mmm.
I think I've smelled a thousand.
Oh, that smells so good.
That one was
You want? Oh, I love it.
I want this.
Oh, it's beautiful. Doesn't that smell nice?
Oh yeah, my mom got a thousand
Love
wishes.
it.
It smells
Thank you so much. Look at the
She-
cute bag too.
God, how's that?
Look how cute.
Oh, I can't open that.
I have it.
Easy.
Smell it.
Ooh, it kind of smells good.
Mm. Mm.
I smell
It smells
it.
like a rubbery scent here from this.
Mm. Thank you so much. We love it. You smell shower gel. What are you gonna do?
I don't smell
How
it.
does it feel?
You guys are silly.
Hey, it makes my hands feel good.
I see what the heck.
What are you gonna do with it?
It's like glue. So, no. I have something to say after we're done with this video.
I just touched it, guys.
Smell this.
It's so good.
Everything smells so good.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it matches the blanket.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, your favorite color is purple.
Yeah, it's my favorite color.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's enough!
I like when those baby people squirt, 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 squirt. They literally squirt.
It's golden.
It is golden.
Yeah! I don't think so.
Oh, it's like a cream color.
What's gold though?
Is it?
Near
Oh,
gold,
yeah.
like rose gold.
Touch this.
No, I'm not touching that. I'm putting that in the show. Look how sparkly. Pretty.
I'm definitely keeping this.
Because this.
1,000 wishes. Let's make a wish.
Well, we get to make 1,000.
We get to make 1,000 wishes. I know. What
I'm not
my wish
making
is.
no wishes.
You get 300, Hazy gets 600,
60.
and I get 300.
I get 1,600.
Wait, no, like
I get 1,600.
you get 400. Thank you guys for helping us get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, we finally got to 1,000 subscribers.
We've been on here for like 2 years.
I know, we couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you so much.
Guys, I haven't missed you.
I know. It's been forever, huh?
I have never seen these.
Last time
I
she was in
never-
one of my videos was when our room tour done.
Yeah. Well, we haven't done a video
If you
together
haven't seen that, go check that out.
since Christmas.
Have never seen that video?
Woo!
Check that out.
On the inside of my shirt, it's cool.
Is it probably from the spray?
It smells good though.
I'm spraying more.
Squirt some on
Kinda
you. Here,
smells
I'll
nice.
squirt it on you. You're gonna squirt it on Nana and Easy.
Just one squirt, not 5. Okay. Oh! It's very pretty.
Do not spray that.
I love the smell.
I will spray it one more time.
Oh, jeez.
Oh no.
Okay, one. That's good.
We're wasting money.
Now the room is going to smell lovely. Forever.
No.
You don't think?
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
And
But
hit
first,
that
Before we go, I want you guys to go over to Thea's Bunch. I'll put the link in the description for her channel. She's awesome. Her channel is awesome. You'll love it. They're family oriented, just like us.
Don't mind my room.
Don't mind her room.
It is.
All right, guys. Thank
It
you.
is a disaster.
Your room's a disaster. Why?
Smiley face.
Why is your room a disaster?
Oh, it's worse than mine.
Did you clean it?
No.
Because you know how you clean. You shove everything under your bed.
Yeah, that's how she cleans.
Because I have nowhere to put it.
You don't have anywhere
This
to
is
put
behind
So I
the
just
This is
So I
behind the
can't-
scenes.
yeah.
This is behind the
It's
scenes.
actually really comfy when I shove anything under my bed.
it. Yeah.
This is Hazelin when she doesn't think she's on camera.
I'm going to show them what our new game is, and then I'll show them how I play it, and then
Oh, we got a
show them the
new
world.
game. I got a new game on my phone. She got a new game on her tablet. And the game is called Toca World. It's really fun. You get to design your own person. You get to go to different places. And you get to feed the people. It's really fun.
Taco World.
Toca.
Taco. I said taco.
Taco party!
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh,
You're funny.
Hazy poop.
Okay, real quick, we'll show them this and then we're going to look. You alright?
My arm muscle hurts so bad
What'd
from
you do?
gym class. Because, for the past couple of days, we've been doing a lot of workouts. And
This is the game we downloaded,
my
and
legs hurt
You
even
show them.
worse. Show them with the.
It's called
Talk.
Taca World.
Not Talk.
I want to show them my person.
So, I'll show you the Hazy person. So there's different characters.
Where's her person?
But you find it, it has purple hair, I think, Hazy?
Yes.
Okay. Hazy's favorite color is pink, but she has purple hair on the skin.
Don't mind that. We're having
Alright,
move.
we're gonna see. Here it is. Wait. Here it is.
Oh, here it is. Let me show them. Whoops. The one in the middle. This one right here. That's Hazy's person.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it.
My girl has blue hair, a blue mask, a blue diamond up above her eyebrow, I think a blue outfit. I'm not
Oh,
sure.
I want my girl.
Because my favorite
That
color
girl.
is blue, so.
Alright. We're going to let you go and let them play these games.
What
But
the heck? Why is she wanting a carton of eggs?
we'll do a game video on this one day.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. You're
That's
gonna
not
download it though.
Yeah. How?
You have to play store and download. You need to search Toca World.
Oh. So then I have to have a person too.
Yeah. This is a little kid game, but I kind of like it. It's really fun. And you can make multiple people. This is a boy. I don't know why it's a boy.
Let's give somebody a shout out. How about Granny? Say hi, Grammy.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi. But I just killed myself. A boy.
What are you sleeping?
There's a girl and a boy especially here.
Alright, guys. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
What? Thank you, Thea.